Hey everybody, Michael Anthony Fitness here, MAF GigEcon in the building, and today I'm still in the country, but because I'm ahead on the electrical, I'm going to be doing deliveries today. Now we're starting a new series on the channel called Road to Diamond. Now last quarter, I had 30 deliveries left to go to get to diamond status. But the good thing is, even though the points restarted, I still have platinum status until June. So I got more than enough time to get diamond through September as of right now, as what it says on the app. Now, it could be that I could have it all the way to the end of the year. It all depends on what happens when I reach the next platinum status. It'll tell me on there if I have platinum until the end of the year or do I have it until this September. But the good thing is if you get diamond status, you start to get the 200 deliveries before it resets again. So you got 6 months to get 200 points. That should be easy. That should be easy. You get diamond status beginning of the year. And then the next quarter, you get the 200 deliveries. That's easy. And then you have diamond status until September or maybe till the end of the year. So, I mean, it's easy to do. You just got to make sure by the end of that quarter, you have the 200 deliveries to still be eligible for diamond status before it runs out. So, I'm on my second batch. My first batch was Pumpers. Now, last time I did Instacart, I got burnt on Pampers because somebody lied and said they did not get their Pampers, even though I had proof in the app that I took a picture to prove that it was delivered where it was supposed to be delivered. So I still got my full payout on that delivery because I have proof in the app. So I picked up the Pampers. I got 1148. And now I'm about to go to Food Line, get my second batch. It was about $30. 9 of it was base pay, and about 20 of it was tip. And also today, they have, if you do 6 batches, you'll get 80 guarantee. That's Instacart pay, plus all your tips. So right now, if I get the 6 batches, I'll have $25 on top of the guarantee, which will put me over 100, maybe 105. So we'll see what else I can get today, but I'm already over my goal for what I wanted to make today if I get those 6 batches. And it's Road to Diamond status. So after these 2, I'll be at 3 deliveries. 3 deliveries, which will put my total for this quarter at 50 points. Because every delivery you do, not batch, but delivery you do is 10 points. So if you do 2 deliveries, that's 20 points. 3 deliveries, that's 30 points total for that batch. So I'm going to get up out of here, go ahead to Food Line, shop this order, and we'll see what else we can get to today. But I'm already at 2 of the 6 I need to complete this challenge. The other thing too is when you try to get these points, it makes it so much better when they have the guarantees because you're more motivated to get to diamond status. So we'll see what else I get to today. But I'll see y'all when I get to Food Line.
All right, so we're back. 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 We What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Man, so I am back at Martin's. Now, I just picked up my first ever in-store shop-only order. And what do I mean by those kind of orders? Those are the orders that you go to the store, you shop the order, and you leave in the staging area. So this order is paying about $11, $12. So if I can get the initial shopping done in 30 minutes, then it wasn't a bad order because I'm not driving to the customer's residence. So I'll let y'all know after I do this order what the process is like for doing these types of orders. But the fact that I don't have to drive to the customer makes it even better. But that's my initial thoughts on it from seeing the cards. You just shop the order and you stage it, and then you're done. And then you get paid. The extra time it takes for you to drive to the customer's residence is not even factored into it because you're not driving there. They will come to the store and pick it up for you. So, like I said, I'll let y'all know my final thoughts on this, but I like the fact that I don't have to drive to the customer. But instead I have to stage everything. So we'll see how it goes. Man, that was easy peasy. So what you have to do is when you get those orders where it's shop at store only, it's easy to do. So basically, you go to the store, shop the order as normal. But then when you get to the checkout, you got to separate everything by what needs to be refrigerated, what needs to be frozen, and things that don't need to be refrigerated or frozen that can just sit on the shelf. And then that way, when you get to the staging area, you all you have to do is when you get to that part of it, it will ask you how many bags do you have, so it can print off the labels. And when it prints off the labels, then they'll ask you how many bags need to be on the shelf, how many bags need to be refrigerated, and how many bags need to be frozen, so that way you can put those bags in those areas as soon as you get there, so that the stuff isn't hot when the customer gets the items when they get to the store to pick it up. So it was pretty easy, easier than I thought. Do I recommend taking these orders? Yes. Now the order that I took was only $11-12, but I was able to stack it with this order they see over here. This order right here. It's a deliver only order. So really, if you put those two together on a regular order, where you shop it and deliver it, I'm making about $20. That's not bad. And that's what I would expect from a normal order, is $20. So basically I shopped an order, and then I picked up another order and made $20, just like that. So I'm going to drop this off. All I need is 2 more batches, and then I'm done. Whether I want to get it here or start heading home and getting them or what have you. And I'm good today. Now I'm at 7 so far towards the diamond status. 7 deliveries. So we shall see. I'll catch up with y'all when I get the next one.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now.
Yeah, some foolery that Instacart's trying to play. So I saw this order initially, and I was going to take it. Because I'm still owed, after you take the guarantee, for the guarantee, if I took that order, $30 or $31. which is cool. So on top of that, it would be like roughly $55, right? And I decided, I'm just going to try to get something a little easier, because if you add that together, it's really only like a $15 difference. And I can make that up tomorrow when I work tomorrow. So it's not the end of the world. As long as I make 100, I'm good today. So I canceled the order because like it's way too many items, $15 difference. I can make that up tomorrow. I get a $9 order, $2 tip, make over 100. I'm cool with that today. And then it pops up again with this. Do you see a difference? The base pay is the same, probably because of the guarantee pay today. But you would have thought that the guarantee would have, the Instacart pay would go up. It's only $7. $7. And the tip only went up $2. Y'all playing some foolery, Instacart. You playing some foolery. So you're telling me that the second order that was added on to this is only worth $2? It's only worth $2? That ain't worth my time, Instacart. But you know what's going to happen, though? Someone who's a newbie, after it filters down to gold or somebody who's not ranked, sees that order, $27. $27. Knowing dang well it's going to take an hour, maybe an hour and a half if you really don't know the store. You're probably going to need 2 carts, because not all those items for the first one is going to fit in that cart. The other thing too, nothing against the recipient of one of the orders, but they're elderly, which means that in the notes it says that you have to walk the groceries inside, which is not a big deal, because I've done that before, and I got tipped extra for that. So you might end up walking out with a little bit extra in your pocket for a tip, cash tip. But who knows if you're going to get the cash tip or not. Now, if I was guaranteed a cash tip at the end of the delivery for the recipient who's elderly, sure, I would take that order and do it proudly. But at the end of the day, with that add-on, I would even take it. But I know somebody who's a newbie or a gold status that sees that $27 and not realize the breakdown of the $27, not realizing the item count. I mean, there's not a lot of big items, so you're good on that. I'm just not taking it. So I'm going to try to get a small order on the way home, small item order. I saw one that I would take. It was like $9 order, $2 tip. I would have taken that order, but I'm not ready to go that direction. It is going on the way home, so definitely I could take it on the way home, but I'm not ready just yet to take that order. So I'm just going to see what comes around. I'll put the totals at the end of the video, but thank y'all for joining me for this video. But man, Instacart, y'all on some foolery today. $2 for an add-on. No more on the base pay. What if I wasn't trying to get the guarantee today and just wanted a couple of orders? You only gonna give me $7 for the base pay? Y'all should be ashamed of yourself, Instacart. But I guess y'all don't care, because at the end of the day, it's all about how can I get this order out the fastest with the least amount of pay. Y'all wrong for this, Instacart. Y'all wrong for this. But man, I'm going to get up out of here. and try to get another order. And I'll see y'all on the next video or live stream, because I'm gone like Mr. Vontae Davis. And I'll see y'all soon. Peace.